Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Girija and I'm a 4th year MBBS student. Today I'm going to unbox and review the Marrow Edition 5 notes that I've recently purchased from their website. I'm going to give you a detailed review about those books, first impressions, and answer the questions like if it's worth buying or not. So before I begin with the unboxing of the package, let me tell you one important thing that you need to know if you're interested in buying the latest Edition 5 notes by Marrow. And that is, you need to have an active subscription of their Plan C. For those who don't know, Marrow comes up with 3 plans to meet your requirements. Plan A gives us access to test series, Plan B, which gives us access to test series and their question banks, and Plan C, which is also their most popular plan, which gives us access to test series, question banks, and their video lectures. So if you have an active subscription of their Plan C, you're good to go and place an order for these notes. So without wasting any time, let's just start the unboxing of the Marrow package. So guys, finally this is how the package looks like after opening it. Here we can see there's one envelope over here and we've got these cute stickers which are half Avengers and half Doctors, and with this we've got 4 bookmarks which says put your heart into it. So these are pretty cute. After that, we've got this keychain with the Marrow logo over it. There's this letter that they've sent. I'm going to read this later. And these are the books. So I'm just quickly going to take all these books out of the box and then I'm going to discuss all the details with you. So I'm just quickly going to take all these out. So guys, this is a set of 25 books that I received in my parcel. All these notes cover the 19 subjects as mentioned in the Marrow app and the website. I'll be mentioning all the 19 subjects over here. And one thing is, few of the subjects come in different volumes, like pathology, community medicine, and surgery come with 2 volumes each, whereas medicine has 3 volumes. If you have a closer look to the cover pages of these notes, they are pretty cute and colorful, and each of the notes depict the particular subject with a graphical design on the cover page. So that is also like a really nice thing. They are soft bound notes and none of the books or notes in my parcel were damaged or anything. Each of them is in perfect condition. I ordered these notes about 7 days ago and they were delivered to my place within 4 to 5 days. So that is really nice. And I think they look pretty good. Now let's have an inside look to what these notes look like on the inside. So here I have the Marrow Edition 5 anatomy notes, and inside we have the introduction of the author and a pretty good index. The textbooks are colorful on the inside as well, so this is not the typical stereotype black and white boring textbooks or notes, and they also have a lot of colored images and clinical images with a lot of space on each page so that you can add your own extra points while making the notes. Otherwise, we just have to attach, sticky notes and stuff all the time. So this is a very good point. Sometimes they have given a space like half a page or sometimes entire page that would really make it very helpful to make notes while watching the video lectures or some points that you want to write in your own language or anything. So paper quality is also very good. Overall, I just like the textbooks and I think they are a really good catch for a good price. So now it's time for all the key points and summary and everything about the Edition 5 Clinical Core latest updated notes by Marrow. So you need to have an active Plan C subscription so that you are eligible to place an order for these notes. These will be delivered to you within like 7 to 15 days depending on where you live. Also, Also, these notes are extremely effective if you are preparing for any of the examinations like FMGE or NEET-PG. They cover all the 19 subjects and they cover more than 90% of the material or information provided in the video lectures by Marrow. If in case you receive damaged or books with empty pages in it, you can opt for replacement through their website or their app. I purchased these notes for 8,437 rupees from their website. Options like online payments, UPI and EMI are available on their website. I think that's a pretty good deal. Also, these notes can be ordered only if you're a Plan C subscriber, but one person can order only one set of notes. And once you place the order for these notes, the order cannot be cancelled. So this is a thing that you really need to keep in mind while making a decision if you really want to buy these notes or not. And I think these notes are a pretty good investment for such a good price because they're literally 25 books. So I think 8,437 is a pretty good price for an investment like this. If you want more videos like this, make sure you like, share and subscribe.